Hello and greeting my dear lovers of age, it is me, Milena the Russian geek and geek girl who lives right now in Korea, and I'm coming at you with simple and a little bit strange thing which we can do, or geeks. Well, sometimes it's happened to me when I see something and I try to convince myself not to buy it, but damn me, Japanese magazines, you can make me spend money. Let's walk through the Japanese magazine that I bought. I think now you understand why I bought it. No? I think it is literally obviously. No? Okay, so we have Japanese magazine which always doing something inside, like it can be bug, it can be some kind of, I don't know, manicure sets or something, or books, or like, I don't know, right now I have a note, Kimetsu no Yaiba notes, and Kimetsu Rengoku. Oh, Rengoku-sama.
俺は俺の責務を全うする。ここにいる者は誰も死なせない。
Well, it's difficult not to buy that, you understand right now, So it is just $10, but you literally will want to buy it. Sometimes, of course, a little bit more pricey, but they do that nice marketing thing to you to buy the real magazine, even though we are living literally already in internet. And still you will buy that because of... Damn. So, let's open it. You know, I always was interested in what is inside of Japanese magazine, because, you know, depending on the country, the insides are different. Yes, of course, it is kind of fashion one, but, you know, when in a fashion one, there is something anime. Well, of course, it is a fashion, a trend right now in the whole world, but still, let's see how they design all over that inside. That's quite interesting. Those brands, which they choose, and those QRs, you just literally can, like, see it in the internet, and I think I buy it. Oh my god, it's a seiyu! Okay. Oh, the different paper. Okay. Paper are changing. Don't forget, Japanese trying to using the different kind of already recycled papers and stuff, and the printing is literally different from a lot of things. And I cannot read in Japanese, just maybe a little bit hiragana, or I did right now tell that in a English accent. Oh, look at that! It's just literally like in anime stuff, like when they doing all that journal kind of things. So cute. Oh my god, it is so easy and so cute, and it's like so simplified, but still so... And models, they are kind of different from Koreans, I can say. It's like different beauty, different style, a little bit, of course. And I thought sometimes, I don't know, I'm not sure if this one is Korean or Japanese, because everyone using different kind of models right now, right? So, oh wow, that's a nice, interesting choices. None of them is in my taste. Literally none. Never, no, or maybe this one, no. And we have a book right in the middle, but we will open it after. Oh, okay, I will put it aside. So what we have here, nah, I won't wear that, maybe, nah. Well, maybe this one, but with the different colors, yeah, maybe that one with the different colors, because colors are killing me, nah. Like, there is a kind of nice set of, but the color, they are killing me, colors is not my, oh my god. Is this like, that one, too. Maybe. Oh, white, of course, it's just not, yeah, please. And it's all about the laundries and setting up with everything else. Yes, thank you. Maybe, no, maybe, no. What do we have here? That's quite interesting kind of fashion magazine. She's cute. Somehow. Oh, she's nice too. What do we have more? Like, holy moly, this is whole journal will be about the fashion of the clothes. Give me some kind of tips, I don't know. I hope there is a tips, not just like, well, I think there is a tips, but I can't read it, right? Wanna be Miu Miu girl? Miu Miu? I'm not sure if I do. I am Miu Miu. Oh, Chanel, of course. Why not a Chanel? But a little bit different kind of stand out, I think. Let's see what we have more. Okay, we are in a position of the cosmetic. Well, all the kind of nude colors, I love them because, you know, sometimes I don't want to be too brassy, like, you know, and I'm not a clown in the suckers to just like, oh, look at me on my, like, colors. That's quite nice. Oh, the care system, what that? What that? This one, I see it first time. Kaneba, I saw that. The 3, I saw it. This one, I did saw it. This one, it is even, you can buy it even here. This one too. Well, Lancome, it's obviously, but that one, what is that? That's interesting. Oh, That's more interesting. What they're using, well, or what they are trying to sell. Those devices, of course. Koreans maybe a little bit better in that kind of thing. Devices, I swear they are better. Oh my god, this is a massage, a lifting massage. Look at that, step by step. Okay. Even how you must be doing your makeup. That's nice one, like base makeup, skincare. Okay, thank you for English over here, because literally, osukebu. What have that? I literally use that. That's not, it's just crazy thing, guys. That one is crazy. I love it so much. It is. Oh my god. It's just like bombing, cleansing. Whoa. Nah. Not my colors. Maybe. Nah. Oh my god. Ugh. Do wear clothes. Oh. I just saw somewhere these one brands. Maybe in the internet. Oh my god. Okay. Rich people playing rich things. Why not? I'm not interested in golfs. Oh, hello. That's more interesting. What is that? I want this one, even though I already have all what I got and I need. I won't refuse from this one. So if you understand what's going on here, use it. Because I don't know what is that. Ha. Okay. Purikura. Oh, hello, guy. He's a gay. He's so... Oh my god. Are you... My apologies. My apologies, boo. My deeply apologies. I was wrong. I was literally wrong. Why is there not much boys here? Of course, you must bite your lips, your fingers. Yeah, right. No one make me go on fire. Come on, guys, you can. Oh, that's make me on fire. I want that, and that too. Oh my god, this is a recipe. Oh, that's nice. But I can't read it. Oh, she's cute. Ooh. Even radio intro stuff. Okay, a little bit more. Strange things and stuff. Okay, like you can just like cut it. Oh, it's so anime kind of thing, guys. This is like literally different from the magazines in Korea. And if you will be interested, like how the Korean magazine looks inside, just give me a shot and write it down in the comment down below. Oh my god, this is even. Look at that zodiacal. Oh my god, which one is mine? Let's see. Okay. Let's pretend that probably. I'm not sure. It's water. That's a Scorpio. It's literally Scorpio. That is like okay. This no. Maybe this one. I'm a Libra. Did I guess it? No. Oh right, I did that. Yes, I guessed myself. Okay. And this is the last one. Okay. So we'll do this like so. Let's open it. This why I bought it and these two. And just super mega curiosity because I was wanting to look inside of Japanese magazine. So let's see how you look it. So we have all of the stops. Oh, hello. Yes, I love them too, but okay. I think they will be lined out because I already see the hint inside of the journal. That is a vibrant color, I can say. Oh my god. Oh, it's lined up and with the friends. Oh, I think this will be all of them, right? No? Will you change? Oh, they do change. Oh, okay. Do I have Rengoku-sama? Will I have Rengoku-sama? No? You crazy mother... Rengoku-sama, you are here. Okay, I'm cool. If Rengoku-sama is here, I'm cool. It's just like... It's worth it. It's worth $10. It's worth it. I love it. So this is the thing. I bought it in a $10 limit. So literally you can't buy it on internet. Well, maybe some kind of different version. I not really need that, but I will use that. Cause hello. Oh, it's so cute. Just look at that. It's so cute. Rengoku-sama. So if you feel me, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with the friends, and if you want me to look through the Korean fashion magazine, just leave a comment down below and I will do look through, cause if you not know, I'm living in Korea, Busan. That's why a lot of stuff from Japan can be bought here, like this magazine. So, see you in next video. Bye! Crazy! Oh my god, it's crazy.